With AI technology, you can easily bring old photos to life and relive your favorite memories. In this video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do it using HitPaw VikPea. Now, let's jump in. Before we get started, prepare the photos you want to turn into videos. Then download and install HitPaw VikPea. Open the software. Navigate to Video Generator. Choose Image to Video, and click Start. Import your old photo. Select a video generation model. I usually recommend Dance 2.0 and Kling 3.0. Then enter your prompt and click Generate. After a short wait, your photo will be transformed into a video. Now that we've successfully converted the image into a video, the next step is to colorize and enhance it. Go to Enhancer interface. Import the generated video into HitPaw VikPea. Select the Colorize model. And click Export. In just a few moments, you'll get a restored and colorized version of your old photo video. By following these steps, you can transform old photos into vivid videos and bring your cherished memories back to life. And that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep sharing more useful AI tools and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.